Now here's something you don't see every day. A gate battery with a set of abs. That's crazy. And that's definitely damaging that transformer housing as well. Now this gate's not working. Let's go into the diagnostic menu and we'll see how many volts it's putting through the circuit board. If I can find it. I think it's in maybe general settings. There it is, the diagnostic screen. See, the battery says 13.6 volts. I'm sure as soon as we unplug the charger, that will probably die. Yeah, it's going down pretty rapidly. So that's just running on battery without the power supply in there. Yeah, it just dies. Not even enough power to keep the circuit board alive. There we go. 11.1, yeah, now just died again. So, yep, she's cactus. So we've got a new battery to go in. Probably want to do this one-handed. Actually, that's quite an old battery, 2015, that's way overdue. Surprised that's even lasted that long. Pretty much just comes off of there. Jesus, look at that. Well, lucky there's a big air gap in the transformer there. So
that could ended up pretty nasty.
Yeah. I don't think it's leaked anywhere, which is good. So just unplug those terminals there. Looks like the original battery, I'd say. Look at that. Got abs. I haven't seen a battery as bad as that before. It's a good brand, Yuasa battery. Far out. Look at that. That's one for the ages. I don't think anything's leaked. What have they put in there? Some sealant. No, everything else looks good. It's got battery terminal protector on there. So we'll just chuck a new battery just inside of there. There we go. And then these just plug onto your battery. Like that. Control panel just sits back like so. Pretty hard one-handed, that's pretty good. Now, so it's now got 12.9. Well, that's brand new, it's not even plugged in. And it says 12.9 without any voltage. So we'll plug that back in, like so. Yep, 13.3 now, so it's charging, 13.4. Once it gets to that magnet, that's the magnet that tells it if it's going backwards or forwards.
Yes.
It'll speed up. What how these just slow down in a split second.
Yes.
Very cool. And then, yep, 13 volts still. Here's even while it's running, it's holding at 12.6, 12.7, which is awesome. Even if you put some pressure on it, doesn't die, so there you go. So we pretty much knew that was the problem. So cool. All fixed.
Yeah, do I need to check with the remote control?
Yeah, grab your buttons and we'll make sure those work. So I'll just go through the settings and make sure it's all good and put that back together properly. Oh yeah. Motor has lost the key. So we actually had to just pick the lock and we took the locking clasp off there so the customer can use the manual release. They're not worried about the flap locking. They'd rather get out in an emergency if they need to. So yes, there's that battery with a 6-pack. Absolutely crazy. We'll just chuck the date on this battery so we can keep an eye on the next replacement.
All right.
I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.